How are you all?
Alhamdulillah, great. Thank you, teacher.
Then who will say how about you?
How about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm feeling so great here. Good morning, Prabha.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine by the grace of Almighty. And what about you?
Alhamdulillah, but you forgot to give me thanks.
Thanks, teacher.
Okay, no matter. So, how's it going? Is it all going fine in your house?
Yes, Alhamdulillah, all is
And
going
how
well.
about Mr. Labib? I'm like missing him. I missed him too. So tell me about him. What's going on there with him in your house, and what he's doing actually.
He's doing well, and I think he might be sleeping now. Asked his Musalmani in
Okay, I'll tell
since
you
few
the English
days.
form of Musalmani later.
Okay.
Okay, no matter. Okay, thank you. Can you please pass over the mic to Miss Lamisa?
Yes.
Okay, Lamisa, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm great. Thank you, teacher. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, thanks to you, I'm feeling great. But you should be careful in this hot summer that you should drink a lot of water. You should carry at least an umbrella. And if you have like any kind of rechargeable fan, you can carry that. Are you like taking preparation properly for English Olympiad season 4, which is actually knocking at your door?
Actually, my preparation is not quite good, but I will try.
Okay, but you have to take preparation, Miss Proba and Miss Lamesa.
Yes.
Both of you do the like will have to do the group work or like homework too. Okay?
Yes,
Both of
teacher.
you can like make a group. You can talk to each other. Yes, I have covered this. Did you like complete this session? And what Mr. Nasim Ahmed, our mentor, mentioned in the previous classes, which I actually missed to join. Am I right, Miss Prabha?
Yes,
Okay, thank you, Lamesa. Will you please pass over the mic to Miss
Yes.
Tanisha? Okay, hello Tanisha.
Hello, teacher.
Will you please talk louder? Okay,
Yes.
so tell me, how's it going in your house? As I know that your mother is your best friend, am I right?
Yes, mentor.
Okay, how she deals with you in your house? Did she like scold you or like did she like pamper you most?
She pampers me the most.
Okay, and how about your father? Is like he working with you properly?
Yes, of course. He does works with me and helps me with my studies.
Very, very nice. So, more than that, I want to know about one more fact. I heard from someone, maybe from your mother, that you don't practice a lot. You feel that, yes, I can do that. Oh, it's just a tiny word. Yes, I have practiced once. It will be okay. But it's not good. You have to practice more and more. If you want to be like a professional personnel, or the perfect person to deliver your speech, obviously you need more and more practice. That is called professional work and like a vocational strategy. So do you feel the same?
Yes, I do feel the same.
Will you please do that from now on?
Yes, I will.
Okay, thank you, Miss Tanisha. And thank you, everyone.